Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where your iPhone is randomly saying iPhone is disabled. Now, this can happen for a ton of different reasons. Most probably, you try to, go into an iPhone that maybe you forgot the password for, or whatever the case is, and you try too many times. Now, if it says 1 minute or 3 minutes or something, I would recommend waiting and retyping the same password that you were trying, or type in another password, try Face ID, try other alternatives. However, let's say that specific thing isn't working and you totally forgot your password and you keep disabling your iPhone and it's like for an hour or whatever, then I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to go ahead and fix that. Now, I will tell you this isn't a foolproof method and it does require you to eventually do a factory reset. And as long as you have the iCloud email associated to your account, then you'll probably end up being okay. So the very first thing you want to do is go ahead and basically power off your specific iPhone. So what you want to start off by doing is most probably you want to hold up either one of the volume up or volume down buttons. Typically it can be your volume down button is totally okay. And you basically want to do is hold down both those phones or hold down both those buttons until you see the slide to power off. Now sometimes you can go ahead and if you have a home button iPhone, basically an iPhone with a home button, you can just hold down that side button. That typically should fix it. But sometimes if that doesn't work, just hold down the volume up button and the power button or the side button until you can get to the slide to power off. So once you do that, you want to go ahead and power off your phone. And once your phone is fully powered off, what you want to do, and this is very important, you want to plug in your iPhone to a computer and you want to make sure you have iTunes installed on that computer. If you don't have iTunes installed, I'll leave a link in the description that'll go and take you to a website for you to install iTunes. And you want to plug in your iPhone to your computer. Okay, that's very important. That's pretty much step one. Basically, install iTunes, plug in your iPhone to your computer, and you want to hold down this power button, aka the side button right here, until your iPhone shows you this specific page that I'm about to show you. Basically, you'll come into this page inevitably with your iPhone plugged into your computer. Now, once you do this, you're perfectly fine. All you want to do is locate on your iTunes. You'll see some restore options. You'll see restore from a backup, reinstall software, and so on and so forth. Now, if you're lucky enough to have a backup, I would recommend just restoring from a backup and pretty much moving on from there. That's the very first thing I would recommend doing. However, if you're in a position where for some reason you can't, you don't have a backup, maybe you forgot to back up, you can always restore your software later from iCloud. And a lot of apps nowadays automatically have most of your stuff in the storage, the cloud storage. So that's another easy thing you can do. Your Snapchats and Instagrams and all that will still be there. So at this point, all you have to do is factory reset your phone, and then you'll be able to have access to it. As long as you have the iCloud email and the password account associated with your email, then you'll pretty much be set and you can go ahead and restore your iPhone or just reset it and basically your iPhone will not be disabled anymore. So that's exactly how to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much for you guys to hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.